Welcome to lesson number 6. This is our social media management in action lesson, and I'm going to show you how to use the Hootsuite tool to manage your social media. So with that said, let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and go to hootsuite.com and create an account. There is a free version of Hootsuite, and then of course there is a paid level. If you want to start out free and then move up to the paid level later, that's fine. But what I like about Hootsuite, it allows you to go really deep into a social account, even at free version. So, for example, I'm taking a look at a Twitter account, and you could click on Add a Stream, and then choose your profile for your social media. And then, of course, you can click on Mentions to see who has been talking about you. You can see retweets to see who have retweeted your messages, your followers, and your lists, and other things like that. Besides using this to communicate and engage with others, you can actually do a lot more than that. Also, besides streams, you can do Publisher, and this allows you to compose messages. You can schedule messages, you can see your RSS feeds, and more. Plus, you can also go to Analytics and actually see reports like your Twitter reports, your Twitter engagement summaries, details, Facebook Insights, aggregates, LinkedIn, Google Analytics, and more. The amazing thing about these reports is they're very detailed. All you have to do is select one of these templates, and then of course under Twitter profile or Facebook or Google Analytics, you can choose a profile, create the report, and it will give you a lot of the details. In terms of analytics, I'm pretty impressed by Hootsuite. If you go to Contacts, you can actually pick and choose the Twitter profile. You can see who is following you, and if you have any idea who is following you, how many followers they have, how many people they're following, and what their clout is. You can find out all details here. You can also follow people back. So if they're following you and they're engaging with you, then you probably want to follow them as well, right? And then of course you can click on People I Follow, and you'll be able to see who you're following, and you can also unfollow them if you wish. Plus, what is really powerful about Hootsuite is if you go to Settings and go to RSS feeds, you can actually create RSS feeds from your social media sites, which is again really powerful feature. As you're going through this, I want you to think about your needs, and if Hootsuite doesn't fulfill your needs, you might want to pick and choose another tool that we've talked about in the previous lesson. With that said, I'm going to show you how to automate the whole process from your WordPress blog to other social networks in the next video.